I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes in a microwave. First, gather your essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder if you want chocolate, baking powder, a pinch of salt, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. You'll also need a microwave-safe mug or ramekin. Having everything measured and ready before you start makes the process much smoother and quicker. This method is perfect for a quick, single-serving treat. Now let's mix the batter. In your microwave-safe mug, whisk together the dry ingredients: 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. For chocolate, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then add the wet ingredients: 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing to prevent a tough cupcake. Fill the mug about 2/3 full. Cooking your cupcake in the microwave is surprisingly fast. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high power for 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage, so start with 60 seconds and add 10-second intervals if needed. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cupcake. If it comes out clean, your cupcake is perfectly cooked. Be careful, as the mug will be hot. Once cooked, let your delicious microwave cupcake cool in the mug for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Then carefully invert the mug onto a plate or use a spoon to gently lift the cupcake out. Now comes the fun part: frosting. Add your favorite buttercream, cream cheese frosting, or a simple glaze. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.